So this is our fifth question. According to me, this was the easiest question of this lot. Let's see how we deal with this. Beena incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at rupees 4860 to Sham, who in turn sells this product to Hari. If Beena would have sold this product to Sham at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Then the profit in rupees made by Sham is. Okay, pretty simple question. So let the cost price for Beena be equal to 100x rupees. The standard approach which we have already seen in many of our profit and loss questions. Okay, so for Beena, the cost price is basically 100x and she's selling at a loss of 19%. So there's a loss of 19% on 100x. The selling price is 19% lesser. So 19% of 100x is 19x. That means 100x minus 19x, selling price would be 81x. The other way of looking at this is, we have seen this in percentages already. Whenever a number reduces by 19%, it gets multiplied by 0.81. All right. And Beena has sold this particular product to Sham. Sham in turn will send this product to Hari. Okay. For Sham, the cost price is 81x, which has been given to us as 4860, right? But we don't know at what price did Sham sell to Hari. Now, the question further tells us that if Beena would have sold this product to Sham at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Very simply, guys. Now we have to read this question in a reverse fashion. If Beena would have sold this product at 17% profit, we will get the purchase price of Hari, right? So 17% profit on 100x is basically 17x. So basically the purchase price of Hari is 117x. And that means the selling price for Sham is again 117x. The question demands what is the profit made by Sham in rupees. Now this is just two steps. The profit made by Sham will be the selling price for Sham, 117x minus 81x. The difference of these two is nothing but 36x. And we already know that this 81x corresponds to 4860. So now equating 81x with 4860, we get x as 4860 by 81. 81 6 are 486 and a 0, we get x as 60. Plug it in here, we get the profit made by Sham. 36 into 60. 36 into 60 is 36 into 6 into 10. This is 6 cube, right, guys? And if you know 6 cube, it's very easy. 216 into 10. The profit made by Sham is 2,160 rupees, right? You could also cross multiply these two. You could have got the answer directly. That's also the other way out. But if you generally prefer solving for variable and putting it in the given expression to get the answer, that's how you do it. Otherwise, I personally prefer the cross multiplication. Nonetheless, the answer to our question is 2,160 rupees is the profit made by Sham.